Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 5th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. You got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the storm system moving across the country. You can see one moving across the south and southeastern U.S. Got one moving across the mid-Atlantic and northeast. And got several storm systems moving across portions of the southern Canada region, up here around the Great Lakes, also across North and South Dakota, through Montana, Oregon, and Washington State and Idaho regions as well. You can see another little storm system trying to move toward the coast there as well. And you can see some scattered activity over Eastern Pacific and also some in South America as well. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we got mixed precipitation from portions of New York State down to Pennsylvania, back over to portion of eastern Michigan. Got freezing rain in that vicinity as well, from New Hampshire to Vermont to New York State to Rhode Island to Pennsylvania to D.C. area and portion of Virginia. And then we got snow over portions of northern Michigan, the Great Lakes, up toward portions of Minnesota, also northern Minnesota and also northern Wisconsin. Also around Lake Erie and Lake Superior. Also got some snow flying up here as well. We got thunderstorms and showers from Ohio down to Alabama to Arkansas to Missouri to Illinois to the Carolinas. Also got more shower activity along the California region. Then we got mixed precipitation from Utah to Nevada to California to Oregon and portions of Washington State. Snow from Washington State to Oregon to Idaho to Montana to Wyoming to South Dakota. And a little bit in northern Nevada. Heavy snow in the Sierra Mountains of California, northern California, also in the portion of Oregon as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, here's a look at your forecast for Friday. Alright, you can see here we got some snow flying from Maine to New York State, back over toward Lake Erie, Lake Superior region. Also from Wisconsin to Montana to Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and northern Nevada, Utah, and Wyoming. Down into Colorado there as well. Mixed precipitation, portions of Washington, Oregon State, California, Nevada, and Utah. And then again from portions of Missouri all the way over toward Virginia. Thunderstorms and showers from Missouri to Arkansas to Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, the coastal waters of the Atlantic as well. Got pockets of heavy snow over through the Dakotas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for you Friday. Alright, let's move on to your current watches, warnings, and advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see we got a lot of winter weather advisories stretching from Maine all the way down to Virginia to Ohio, all the way back to Indiana, Iowa, also portions of northern Missouri, also in the portions of Nebraska, also in the portions of Wisconsin, Minnesota, also into areas of North Dakota, then again in portions of Nevada, Idaho, and also Oregon State. Winter storm warnings in portions of California or Oregon State and a little bit in southwestern Washington State. We got ice storm warnings up here in portions of Pennsylvania, down into West Virginia. Flash flood watches also in effect for West Virginia and portions of Kentucky. And then we got dense fog advisories down here along the South Carolina coast, also along the Big Bend area of Florida. Also the Panhandle of Florida, all the way back over to southeast Texas. Then again inland across the Panhandle, also across Alabama, portion of Mississippi, eastern Louisiana. Then again in Arkansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, and also portions of the Kansas region as well. Red flag warning for areas of Texas, also in New Mexico and Colorado. High wind warnings also in portion of Wyoming. Cold weather advisories over portions of Montana and also North Dakota. Special weather statements there as well. Some in portions of Iowa, also in the portion of Wisconsin, also Missouri, also in the portions of Illinois, also southeastern Missouri and western portions of Kentucky. Alright, we have wind advisories in portions of Idaho and also areas of Nevada. Avalanche warnings up here in portions of Idaho as well. We have small craft advisory, gale warnings from up here from Maine all the way down to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and then portions of California up to Washington State, Oregon State region. Also for the central and northern Hawaiian chain island, same thing there as well. Also high surf warnings, also blizzard warning to the north of Alaska and around the Alaska area. Small craft advisory, gale warning are issued. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Thursday. I can't remember what day it is. Alright, here it is. Little Rock, Arkansas. Got some general thunderstorms to Washington, D.C. Nashville to Bowling Greens. Over towards Smyrna, Tennessee. Hendersonville, Clarksville, and Nashville, Tennessee area. Marginal risk for severe weather. The tornado probability less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds 5%. Large hail less than 5% all areas. Alrighty, and here is the look at the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar. You can see we got some showers and storms, or just maybe some shower with heavy downpours over here around Florence, just north of Sumter to Camden to Winsboro to Newberry up toward Greenville, Spartanburg area, and we got more moisture moving into through Georgia. We'll be moving into South Carolina later and bring more precipitation through the remainder of the evening and overnight hours, but should be cleared out by tomorrow once again. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one, so have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.